Assalamu alaikum class. Hope you are doing well at home. Today our topic is tracing letters from A to Z. So today we're gonna revise the tracing of all of these letters. Let's start. For the tracing of letter A, first we will make a half circle like this, and then we will go up in a straight line a little bit up from the circle, and then we will come down in a straight line and make a loop here. Again, first we will make half circle. From here we will go up in a straight line, then we will come back on the same line and make a loop here like this. Next letter is B, the easier one. We start it from here, and first we draw a straight line and come down. Then we will go up on the same line till middle, and then we will make half circle like this and join it here. Again, first draw a straight line and then go up on a same line and then make a circle like this. Next letter is K. For this tracing we just draw a half circle or a curve like this. Again we will draw half circle or a curve like this. Next letter is D. For the tracing of this letter, first we will make K, letter K, that we just draw in a previous page like this, letter K, and then we will go up in a straight line till here, then come down on the same line and then make a loop as we did for letter A. Or you can simply say that it is similar to letter A. In letter A you have to go up from this circle a little bit, but for this letter you have to go up a little bit more and then come down in a straight line and make a loop. Next letter is A. For the tracing of this letter, first you will draw a straight line to the right, and from here you will draw letter K like this, or half circle like this. This one is also easy. A straight line to the right and then a curve like we have done in letter K. Next letter is how we trace it. Start from the top, making a curl, and then continue to make a straight line downwards till the bottom, and then go just below the top curl here and make a sleeping line to the right. Again, start from here, make a curl downward, continue to make a straight line till the bottom, and then go to the middle and make a sleeping line across. For the tracing of letter G, you will start from here. First you will make a circle or letter K like this, and then you go up, again touch the first dot and then come down on the same line till the bottom and make a backward curl. Again, you will start it from here, make a circle like this, and then come down in a straight line and make a backward loop like this. For the tracing of letter H, start from the top, come down in a straight line till the bottom, again go up on a same line, and then from the middle make a curve reaching to the bottom like this. Again a straight line downward, and then go up on the same line, and from the middle of the line make a curve reaching below the bottom like this. This is letter E, the easier one. For this tracing you just have to draw a standing line downward like this, and then add a dot above the line, a straight line, and then a dot above the line. For the tracing of letter J, we start from the top, come down in a straight line, and then we will make a backward loop like this. Add a dot above the line. Again a standing line to the bottom, and then make a backward loop like this. Add a dot above the line.